All LED signs are made up of modules, such as this. We pride ourselves on our engineering and make it very customer friendly and very easy to repair. Most LED signs on the market require special tools to be able to replace these modules, which you have to access from the front, and it gives you very limited access to what is actually in the guts of the sign. Our engineering has eliminated that problem completely. Here's how. LED signs are made of 3 major components. First, you have the modules. All of our modules can be easily removed from the inside. You have power supplies, which convert AC power into DC power, which powers the whole sign. And then you have what's called a controller. This is the main brain of the sign. All of these components, if one fails, can be removed with a simple Phillips screwdriver. Simple instruction for replacing a module. First, disconnect the power with a Phillips screwdriver. Obviously you want to turn off the power externally first. 2 screws. Step 2, disconnect your communication cables. 1 on the right, 1 on the left. Done. Step 3, unscrew all 10 screws that hold the module in place. After you've removed all 10 screws, the module simply pops out the front. As you can see, the module has a silicone seal, which when compressed keeps it watertight. And then you take this module, send it back to us. We either fix it, at the time you take it out, you'll already have a new one on hand. Take the new module, stick it back in the hole, and repeat the process in reverse, and you're done. Replacing a power supply is even more simple than replacing a module. This is a power supply. It has a LED indicator light, which is right here when the sign is powered on. In diagnosing which power supplies are bad, the bad one won't have an LED light that's lit up. So, it's very simple. Each one of these power supplies controls a certain section of the screen, and to replace one, obviously you'll have a new one on hand. You simply unscrew these 8 screws here, pull the power supply out, and then reattach power accordingly. You will have a color-coded chart that comes with each and every power supply. Next is replacing a controller. Now, LED Craft has teamed up with Samsung to engineer many of our controllers, so they're one of the most absolute reliable parts in our sign. As a result, it's rarely something that our customers ever experience changing out, but we're going to show you today just so you know how. This is a main controller. This controller controls these 2 controllers, which are called section controller. Diagnosing which one might have a problem is very easy. You can simply take a picture of the front of your LED sign when it's functioning, and we can easily and quickly diagnose which one of these controllers might be having an issue. In the event you do need to replace one, we will ship you the replacement controller, and at that point we will tell you which one it is, which are clearly labeled inside. First thing you need to do, disconnect the power. Very simple. Second step, disconnect your communication cables. Third step, there's 4 screws on each corner, or 1 on each corner, a total of 4 screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen those screws. The controller will pop right out. You put the new one in. Reconnect your communication cables as such, and then reconnect your power. And you've just replaced the controller in your LED unit. Congratulations, easy does it. You probably saved about $600 or $700, which one of our competitors would have had your local sign company come out and do that little bit for you. Offers a 5-year warranty, which matches all of our major competitors' warranties. However, as you can see and as you have seen in these part replacement videos, we have engineered a sign that is extremely customer friendly. We pride ourselves on this engineering, and we also can rest assure that it's going to save all of our customers thousands of dollars over the lifetime they own their sign in basic maintenance and repair.